Okay now, so what you want to do first of all, we are dyeing / I'm showing you the technique of me matching these closures and frontals to my color on my head to get it to blend perfectly. So what I'm doing now is taking a bottle of Ritz. You can find this at Walmart. That's where I found mine. And this is basically dye. So those old dyes that they used to use back in the day to, you know, recolor their clothes a different color. I'm just taking that in the shade dark brown, and I have a cup of hot water that I am going to put a little bit in because it's only a little closure. I don't need that much, so just a little bit. And we are using UNice hair today, so don't forget to go check them out in the description right below. And I let that sit in the water. It's hot water, but not so hot, so you don't want to burn your lace. I'm letting it sit in the water for a little bit because I want it to soak up that dark brown. But you're going to bleach it because it's going to be dark brown. You don't want the knots to be dark brown. Okay, we're going to move on also to the bundles of hair. So these are beautiful fall colors. You could have left it just like it was, but I wanted to add a spice, like an orange type of color to the blonde, well, the end of the hair, which is the root, not the roots, but like the end of the hair. So I'm just taking Spice Amber from Adore Dye, and we're just going to basically put that on the blonde part. So it's going to fade from a black to a brown to a Spice Amber orange color. And these colors were so pretty, so bomb, so natural looking, and it was so cute. So I dyed all of the blonde tips, and that's all I did with all of the bundles. And we're going to move back on to the closure part. And now you can see that the closure did take the dye, and it looks like I don't have to bleach this at all. It will match perfectly to my skin, but you have to bleach the knots back because if not, it's going to be like black knots or no, brown knots. You don't want that. So that's why I did it first, because if I bleached it and then actually dyed it again, it's going, I don't know, it's just not going to look right, and that would be redundant because I bleached it, then I put it back in the Ritz, and then it's black again. The knots are black, so you don't want that. So you want to dye it the color first, then you want to bleach the knots back. So that's all I'm doing. I let it sit and I rinsed all of it out, and we're going to move right on to constructing this wig. After the wig was actually all the stuff was dyed and rinsed out, here is the final outcome of how the closure looks and how the bundles were once they were dyed that spice amber color. So beautiful and fall vibes feeling. So what she's going to do now is she's going to basically sew the the closure down so that she can start sewing the bundles on. So I have a full video, detailed video on this. It's just redundant. Everything is redundant. So I'm gonna actually fast forward this video and let you all see how she constructed the wig, because it's easy peasy. Like I said, I have plenty of these videos, and I'll meet you dolls at the end when it is. I'll meet you dolls in part 2 when it's time to style the wig. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go check out UNice hair in the description right below. I'll also leave the link to this direct hair down there. So comment, tell me what you think about this color. Would you do this color? Because I definitely would think you would, especially for the month of October. So until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.
This Really take this feel.